pare, huwag ka namang problema kung wala kang eyeshadow palette. Kung meron kayong kahit lumang contour palette o anything na brown sa shade, bango ng shade niya. At saka eyeliner na black. Okay na yan, pak na yan, Ner. Huwag ka nang maghanap pa ng wala. Kung wala kang eyeshadow palette, carry lang, turuan kita, hindi problema yan. Halika, dali, pagandahin natin yung mata mo. Huwag ka namang problema.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Ayie. Welcome guys.
In today's video, gagawa lang tayo ng isang makeup tutorial na gamit ang mga mumurahing makeup product. Actually, ito ay palette for nose contouring na binili ko sa Daiso, last year. So, ang aking ipaproject dito ay hindi mo kailangan problema kung wala kang palette, kung wala kang mga bagong palette. Pwede mong pagandahin ang iyong mata, or pwede kang mag-apply ng eyeshadow na gamit lamang ang isang contouring palette o na may highlights. So, yun na, tuturo ko guys sa mga nanay na katulad ko na problema, pinaproject ko yung aking new polish, problema sa nawala sila mga bagong eyeshadow palette. So kanilang meron kayo dyan, pwede natin gawin kahit nga eyeliner lang pwede. So if you wanna know how to do it, just keep on watching.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless. About you, I wanna be your babe. Show me that you feel the same. I'm always dreaming of you, all the lonely days. I wanna hear you say my name. We can find our perfect place. I'm really stuck on you, but it's gotta be this way. I wanna hear you say my name. About you, I wanna be your babe. Show me that you feel the same. I'm always dreaming of you, all the lonely days. I wanna hear you say my name. of you. I ain't got to play the game. We can find our perfect place. I'm really stuck on you, but it's gotta be this way. I wanna hear you say my name. But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young,
So that's it guys, that is how I use my nose contouring palette. That old one which I bought from Daiso. So diba, may pa-smoky. Simple smoky effect pa ang eyes natin just using that palette. So I hope nagustuhan nyo guys ang aking video. And if you do, please give a thumbs up with the polish. Just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell as well. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. So yeah, see you again on my next video. Bye!